Kidney-friendly foods for older adults. Maintaining kidney health becomes increasingly important with age. The kidneys filter waste and balance fluids, but over time, they can lose efficiency. A kidney-friendly diet helps reduce strain and supports overall well-being for older adults. Choosing the right foods can make a significant difference in preserving kidney function and preventing complications. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Choose low-sodium foods. Too much salt increases blood pressure and harms the kidneys. Opt for fresh vegetables, unsalted nuts, and herbs for flavor. Avoid processed or canned foods that often contain hidden sodium. 2. Eat the right proteins. Older adults need protein, but too much can burden the kidneys. Go for lean options like chicken breast, white fish, or egg whites. If you prefer plant-based choices, eat tofu or lentils in small portions. 3. Pick low-potassium fruits. Some fruits are better for kidney health than others. Apples, berries, grapes, and pineapples are excellent choices. They provide antioxidants while keeping potassium levels in check. 4. Use healthy fats. Unsaturated fats such as olive oil, flaxseed oil, and avocado help lower inflammation and protect the heart, both crucial for kidney-friendly living. 5. Limit phosphorus-rich foods. High phosphorus can weaken bones and damage kidneys. Avoid processed foods, soft drinks, and heavy dairy products. Choose natural, minimally processed foods instead. 6. Stay properly hydrated. Water helps the kidneys filter waste, but moderation is key. Drink the right amount based on your doctor's advice, neither too little nor too much. A balanced, kidney-friendly diet for older adults focuses on moderation and smart choices. Eat fresh foods, avoid excess salt, and choose low-potassium fruits and lean proteins. With consistent care and healthy habits, older adults can protect their kidneys, boost energy, and improve quality of life. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.